Well, hey there. It is that time of year again. It's apple month, and that means it's time to make some apple treats to put on my apple playlist. Well, this first treat sure sounds exciting. It's an apple pie panini. Doesn't that sound unique? Well, let's learn how to do it. You could just make this with some fresh sliced apples, but I'm gonna fry up some apples with some cinnamon. You need to get yourself some raisin bread and butter one side of each slice. Place butter side down in your press. Add some mascarpone cheese, a little squirt of honey, and your apple mix. Add your butter up slices of bread on top and press. It's ready. Apple pie panini looks fun. Let's give it a try. I love apples. It is great, and it does taste like apple pie in a sandwich. I love it. I love trying new things. You can try new things too. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more apple recipes, subscribe to my channel. And you can even ding that bell and see my recipes all the time. Thanks for watching. Did you hear the news story about the panini? Well, it's hot off the press.